Imagine a world of vibrant colors, tantalizing aromas, and flavors that dance on your tongue. This is the world of the Mediterranean diet, a culinary journey that nourishes not only your body, but also your soul. It embraces the joy of sharing meals with loved ones, savoring each bite, and appreciating the bounty of nature. It's a celebration of fresh, seasonal ingredients, prepared with simplicity and love. This dietary approach is inspired by the traditional eating habits of people living in countries bordering the Mediterranean Sea. Dive into a world where vibrant vegetables, succulent seafood, and wholesome grains take center stage. Discover the secrets of the Mediterranean diet and unlock a world of flavor, health, and happiness. Let this culinary adventure transport you to sun-kissed shores, where every meal is a celebration of life. The Mediterranean diet is more than just a way of eating. It's a path to a healthier and happier you. Rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats, this diet offers a wealth of benefits for both your physical and mental well-being. One of the most celebrated benefits of the Mediterranean diet is its positive impact on heart health. The abundance of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains provides a rich source of antioxidants and fiber, which help protect your heart from damage. The healthy fats found in olive oil and fish are essential for brain health, promoting cognitive function and reducing the risk of cognitive decline. The fresh produce provides vitamins and minerals crucial for maintaining a healthy mood and reducing the risk of depression. Embrace the Mediterranean diet and experience the double bonus of a healthy heart and a happy mind. Indulge in the flavors of the Mediterranean and unlock the secrets to a healthier, happier you. Embark on a culinary adventure with this sample meal plan, designed to give you a taste of the Mediterranean lifestyle. Breakfast. Start your day with a bowl of Greek yogurt topped with fresh berries, a drizzle of honey, and a sprinkle of chopped nuts. Alternatively, savor a slice of whole wheat toast with avocado and a sprinkle of feta cheese. Lunch. For a light and refreshing midday meal, indulge in a Mediterranean chickpea salad paired with whole wheat pita bread and mixed greens. Dinner. Savor the flavors of the sea with grilled lemon garlic chicken, served alongside roasted vegetables like zucchini, bell peppers, and onions. Snacks. Keep your energy levels up with healthy snacks like almonds, fruit, or hummus with carrot sticks. This sample meal plan is just a starting point. Feel free to experiment with different ingredients and recipes. Focus on fresh, whole foods and enjoy the process of preparing and savoring each meal. Ready to embark on a culinary adventure? These two simple and delicious recipes will transport you to the sun-kissed shores of the Mediterranean. Mediterranean chickpea salad. Combine 1 can of drained and rinsed chickpeas, 1 chopped cucumber, 1 chopped tomato, half a red onion, and a handful of chopped fresh parsley. In a separate bowl, whisk together olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, salt, and pepper. Pour the dressing over the chickpea mixture and toss to combine. Grilled lemon garlic chicken. Marinate chicken breasts in a mixture of olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, oregano, salt, and pepper for at least 30 minutes. Grill the chicken over medium heat until cooked through. Serve with a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. These recipes are just a starting point. Feel free to get creative and add your own personal touch. Experiment with different herbs, spices, and vegetables to create your own unique Mediterranean masterpieces. Enjoy the process of cooking and savoring the delicious flavors of the Mediterranean. The Mediterranean diet is more than just a set of dietary guidelines. It's a way of life. It's about savoring the simple pleasures, connecting with nature, and celebrating the joy of sharing meals with loved ones. It encourages mindful eating, appreciating each bite, and savoring the flavors and textures of fresh, wholesome ingredients. It's about taking the time to prepare meals with love and intention, transforming cooking from a chore into a joyful act of self-care. Beyond the plate, the Mediterranean lifestyle emphasizes the importance of physical activity, not as a chore, but as a natural part of daily life. Think leisurely walks, bike rides, or simply gardening in the sunshine. Embrace the Mediterranean lifestyle and experience the transformative power of a holistic approach to health and happiness. It's a journey of self-discovery, where every meal is a celebration, and every day is an opportunity to live a more vibrant and fulfilling life. Now that you've discovered the secrets of the Mediterranean diet, it's time to embark on your own culinary journey. Experiment with different recipes, explore new ingredients, and discover the flavors that speak to your soul. Share your creations with loved ones and spread the Mediterranean spirit. The Mediterranean diet is all about flexibility and personalization. Adapt recipes to your own preferences, experiment with different herbs and spices, and create your own unique Mediterranean masterpieces. Share your culinary adventures with the world. Post photos of your creations on social media, invite friends over for a Mediterranean feast, and inspire others to embrace this healthy and delicious way of life. The Mediterranean diet is not a destination, but a journey. Embrace the process, savor every bite, and enjoy the ride. Buon appetito!